From a scientific perspective, our bodies are constantly changing due to various biological processes. Here are a few reasons why we're not exactly the same person we were 10 minutes ago. Physical changes. Cellular regeneration. Our bodies are composed of approximately 37.2 trillion cells, and many of these cells have a limited lifespan. For example, skin cells live for about 2 to 4 weeks. Gut lining cells live for about 3 to 5 days. Red blood cells live for about 120 days. Protein turnover. Proteins are the building blocks of our bodies, and they're constantly being broken down and replaced. This process is known as protein turnover. Metabolic changes. Our metabolic rate, hormone levels, and other physiological processes are constantly changing in response to our environment, diet, and lifestyle.
Neurological changes.
Neuroplasticity. Our brains are highly adaptable, and the connections between neurons are constantly being reorganized based on our experiences, learning, and environment. Synaptic pruning. Weak or unnecessary neural connections are eliminated, while strong connections are reinforced. Neurogenesis. New neurons are generated in certain parts of the brain, which can lead to changes in our cognitive abilities and behavior. Implications for personal identity. Dynamic self. Our sense of self is not fixed and is influenced by our experiences, memories, and environment. Continuity of consciousness. Despite physical and neurological changes, our consciousness and sense of self remain relatively continuous. Philosophical implications. The dynamic nature of our bodies and brains raises questions about the nature of personal identity, free will, and what it means to be us. Conclusion. In conclusion, science suggests that our bodies and brains are constantly changing, which challenges our traditional notion of a fixed personal identity. While our sense of self remains relatively stable, our physical, neurological makeup is always in flux. This understanding can lead to a greater appreciation for the dynamic nature of human existence and the complexities of personal identity.